Make Me Sneeze by more Willems. Gerald. What do you want to do today? I want yes. What? About a swearing? A hat? Chew! Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Achoo! Sneeze. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, they cannot be near me. Though we cannot be best friends. We must be apps. But Gerald, no, don't not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Oh, you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is, what's that say?
Also,
my best. Piggy is always my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cat. You mean great, now cats make me sneeze too. Trump. I do not make you sneeze. And I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thanks you, Dad. Oh, Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Good, the end. Bye, guys.